तिसरे एशिया कपात भारताची पेजात कामगिरी चालूच आसा. शुक्रारा यजमानांचे मिक्स, सुपर मिक्स, सिनियर्स आणि दादल्यांच्या टीमींनी सेमीफायनलीत जागो बूक केलो. 5 गटांनी चलिल्ले सर्तीत बायलां गटात मात यजमानांक अपेस आयलें. इतल्या मजगतीं खेळा संचालक VM प्रभुदेसायान ब्रिज खेळाक खूब म्हत्व आसा आनी हातूंत भुरग्यांक मुखार काडपाचेर भर दिवपाक जाय अशें म्हळां.
I must say that younger generation people should play this sport to develop their mathematical ability, their analytical ability. The discussion that I have had with the international judges here, they say that in Indian conditions also this sport is made mandatory for people at IIT, various engineering and medical colleges. So much importance is attributed to this sport. We'll be very happy. I'll be now soon writing to some of the local schools to send the children for learn to bridge. There is a desk available here wherein the organizers would teach the intricacies of bridge to young children so that it can be developed at the school level. The Bridge Federation of India is also knocking on the door of SGFI for making entry into the school sports.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आनी तुळशीदास च्यारी.